When there is a designated person to assist a guest with a food allergy, what is that person's job? A. To take the guest's order, cook the order, add appropriate garnishes, sides, and sauces, and take the correct plate to the right guest without any cross-contact. B. To add garnishes before serving the order. C. To take the guest's order, communicate it to the chef, and take the correct plate to the right guest without any cross-contact. D. To take the guest's order. The correct answer is C. To take the guest's order, communicate it to the chef, and take the correct plate to the right guest without any cross-contact. The goal of the designated person is to make sure a guest with a food allergy gets the correct order. By checking each step in the process, it is much more likely that one designated person will get the order correct than it would be if multiple employees were involved. How many food allergy-related emergency room visits occur each year? A. 200,000. B. 2,000. C. 2 million. D. 20,000. The correct answer is A. 200,000. There are approximately 200,000 food allergy-related emergency room visits per year. Of the following listed foods, which one is most likely to cause a foodborne illness? A. Canned tomato juice. B. Cooked rice. C. Whole wheat flour. D. Powdered egg white. The correct answer is B. Cooked rice. Cooked rice is the food listed that is most likely to cause a foodborne illness. While dry rice is not likely to cause a problem related to food safety, once the rice is cooked, spores can propagate in the cooked rice, making the food a potential food safety risk. Giardia lamblia is a type of A. Bacteria. B. Parasite. C. European beverage. D. Virus. The correct answer is B. Parasite. Giardia lamblia is a type of parasite. Giardia lamblia intestinalis is a single-celled animal, i.e., a protozoa, that moves with the aid of 5 flagella. In Europe, it is sometimes referred to as Lamblia intestinalis. Who on the staff needs to understand the policy about handling allergen special orders? A. Back of the house staff. B. Servers and chef. C. Everyone. D. Front of the house staff. The correct answer is C. Everyone. All staff members must understand the policy about handling allergen special orders. Which of the following describes a food allergy? A. When the immune system responds to unhealthy food. B. A minor condition that results in some discomfort. C. When the immune system labels harmful proteins as toxic. D. When the immune system mistakenly labels a harmless protein as toxic. The correct answer is D. When the immune system mistakenly labels a harmless protein as toxic. The immune system's job is to protect the body from foreign pathogens. During an allergic reaction, the immune system believes that a harmless food protein or allergen is toxic to the body and attempts to destroy it. Foodborne illnesses can be caused by A. Manufacturing mistakes. B. Not washing hands. C. A sick employee. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Foodborne illnesses can be caused by manufacturing mistakes, poor hygiene, and exposure to person with contagious illnesses. While you can control the work of a sick employee by keeping them at home, as well as control hand washing, manufacturing mistakes is a factor out of your hands. To avoid this problem, make sure to take care when receiving goods into the restaurant. Which of the following items would most likely cause a food to become unsafe? A. Earrings. B. A red-colored shirt. C. A Yankees hat. D. Black leather shoes. The correct answer is A. Earrings. Earrings are the items that would most likely cause a food to become unsafe. While the listed shirt, and shoes do not pose risks to the food itself, an earring could easily fall into the food, becoming a physical hazard. What information should a server include on the ticket of a guest with a food allergy? A. All of these. B. The guest's name. C. The number of people in the party. D. The order time. The correct answer is B. The guest's name. In circumstances where the server that takes the order is not the person delivering it to a guest, having the guest's name ensures the person gets their correct meal. Another way to identify the correct allergen special order is a color coding system where allergen orders are put on a different colored plate. Food Allergy Research and Education, FAIR, estimates how many Americans suffer from food allergies? A. 1 million. B. 50 million. C. 10 million. D. 15 million. The correct answer is D. 15 million. Food Allergy Research and Education estimates that 15 million Americans have food allergies. Wheezing, hives, and puffy eyes are symptoms of A. Foodborne pathogens. B. Norovirus. C. Allergies. D. Really hot soup. The correct answer is C. Allergies. Wheezing, hives, and puffy eyes are symptoms that someone in the restaurant is having an allergic reaction. If you encounter this problem, you should contact emergency medical technicians or paramedics immediately. Which of the following is not a potentially hazardous food? A. Tomatoes. B. Sea salt. C. Grouper. D. Veal shoulder. The correct answer is B. Sea salt. Sea salt is not a potentially hazardous food. Since tomatoes, grouper, and veal have specific perishable requirements as well as other dangers, the only possible answer to this question is sea salt. With a very low water activity, sea salt is not considered a potentially hazardous food. Which of the following events is a key factor in the rapid growth of microorganisms? A. Personal hygiene. B. A humid kitchen. C. Time and temperature. D. Exposure to bleach. The correct answer is C. Time and temperature. Time and temperature control is a key factor in the rapid growth of microorganisms. While personal hygiene and the humidity of a kitchen can play a role in the presence of bacteria, as well as a bacteria's ability to grow, the factors of time and temperature are directly responsible for the growth rate of bacteria. When a food product comes into contact with something that contains toxic chemicals, A. A biological hazard occurs. B. A chemical hazard occurs. C. A physical hazard occurs. D. A tangible hazard occurs. The correct answer is B. A chemical hazard occurs. When a food product comes into contact with a toxic chemical, a chemical hazard occurs. To avoid this from happening, make sure that no toxic chemical is present when preparing food in the kitchen. Which of the following is an example of a chemical contaminant? A. Chicken bones. B. Listeria monocyton genes. C. Bleach. D. Hair. The correct answer is C. Bleach. Bleach is an example of a chemical contaminant. Listeria is a biological hazard, while chicken bones and hair are considered physical hazards. Which of the following is not a shellfish? A. Shrimp. B. Lobster. C. All are shellfish. D. Mollusk. The correct answer is C. All are shellfish. Examples of shellfish include lobster, shrimp, crab, and mollusks.